Namaskar. Poetry presented by Ravanan. The title Paramapurusha, Guiding Force. Dedication. The God conceived without a form, our audio-visual existence can't respond. Our leader humans hence should assume a human form to guide his units and illume. Preceptor is God, the great entity. He is Taraka Brahma, Anandamurtiji, the eternal being and truth of the universe. Unto his lotus feet we dedicate this verse. Parampurusha, the guiding force. Paramapurusha, the guiding force of every atom of the cosmos, is the source. He drives and operates all the unit souls, their frames and minds in the universe whole. Nothing I know, a crawling child I be. The world attracts, his hand I leave, but tumble often and he lifts me. The Parampurusha always guides me. His forgiving grace removes my pride. His radiant face lights up path sides. He gave me the power of sight to see. The Paramapurusha with love guides me. Submerged in short-lived pleasures, quagmire of delusions from the humans, he freed as sire. He always loved his children's happiness and showered his grace, his care and wellness. He changes universe every fraction of a second. It occurs along with ageless time, the birth of the earth, galaxies and stars, and he projects himself as his avatar. He blessed all lives, their labials to speak, and feed all lives on the planets to eat. He made all things with factors 5. The Paramapurusha guides them and drive. A weightless, subtle, glowing light I be, that rose to shine with cosmic mystery. To the space of freedom, desires free, where boundless peace and happiness be. He made us realize his luster, and ourselves lost in raptures. Let our lethargy and vanity be gone, and be merged in his luster divine. The Lord, the multiple of all creations, he changes beings as recreation. He cares and cares and dwell in all. May he keep us grateful until we call. The life after life is a frequency of actions involved presently, previously, may lead to centrifugal or centripetal way. The Master will remind to remember every day. The Lord was born to guide the created. Unborn are the words to get him attributed. The flowers, the fragrance, he is the resource. The Paramapurusha, the guiding force. Not only the human kith and kin, but animals, birds, and also aliens. Unknown galaxies and universe, the whole, are all one family, Baba has told. His effulgence spread happiness everywhere, and he guided the life on centripetal way. With cell movements in the physical bodies, the planets, stars, celestial mobilities. The advent of Anandamurtiji augured an era. He founded in 1955 Ananda Marga, the alchemy of manhood to divinity realized true from crudeness to subtleness by divine Sadguru. The immortal came to the immortal world. He lighted the earth, transmuted the whole. The waves of the unit minds he reformed. The society to realize the self transformed. He gave the theories of Prout Microbitum and a treatise great on new humanism. The social, spiritual and political philosophies, and for all diseases the yogic remedies, composed 5,018 songs, Prabhat Sangeet, the songs of the new dawn. In various tunes, classic and folk, all bliss immersed, he was the cradle of languages of the universe. The Sadguru Anandamurtiji sanctified the humans as cosmic being personified. With 16 points and the conduct rules, the threshold of bliss divinely scheduled, he taught alphabets and new languages, inspired to speak and write since ages. The scribble is thought projection of an atom, its love towards the supreme desideratum. His new dawn songs remove the throngs and grants the bountiful joys lifelong. His praise I can sing all day long, so does the universe all along. Thank you, Namaskar.